Are you interested in vlogging and preparing videos for YouTube? Well, I got one of the better options I want to be talking about, and that's the DJI Pocket number 2. Of course, right around the corners, they're going to be coming out with the DJI Pocket number 3. So if you're interested in doing some YouTube vlogging or just want to learn more about the DJI Pocket number 2, check out my video. And if you have any questions, comments, or suggestions, just drop them down in the description. Hope you enjoyed the video. Again, I'm going to be talking about the DJI Pocket numero 2, number 2. Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review after 2 years of using a certain product that I use for my YouTube production about 95% of the time. So 95% of my videos that I produce for YouTube for my various channels, I use my DJI Pocket number 2. Before the purchase, I had to decide between buying an action camera or this DJI Pocket 2. The two reasons I decided, actually 3 reasons that I decided to buy the DJI Pocket 2 are: one, it actually focuses, it's not a set focus. And the minimum focus also on the DJI Pocket 2 is you get rather close. Sometimes I would zoom in on a product, a label, or some information, and my action camera would have some issues. It would be fuzzy because it's set for a certain distance, certain distance like that. But when I use my DJI Pocket 2, I can get a lot closer, and it actually focuses and does a great job. Number 2 is image quality. The image quality for my DJI Pocket number 2 is excellent. I really like it. Once in a while, I look at other videos on YouTube and I see they're shooting the trees, and you can see these white fringes on the trees, shooting with various action cameras from DJI and from the other manufacturers out there. It would not look very nice, GoPros and such. So the image quality for the DJI Pocket 2 is quite good. It has a decent size sensor for what it's capable of in 4K 60, okay? Number 3, it has a gimbal. Wow, it has a gimbal built in, a mechanical gimbal, not just, the sensors moving around while you're shooting, and it crops in. Again, it has a gimbal, and that gimbal also serves other functions other than just keeping things stabilized, It actually can follow you. You can actually see that it follows you. You can set it at certain parameters and have it follow you. You can put it on a tripod or on a table with its small little tripod, and it'll actually follow you. So it'll go left, right, and also motion lapses. It can also do time lapses, and it can move while doing the time lapse. I did quite a few of those while I was in Mexico recently. So it has all these features and functions that an action camera can only dream of. Of course, the other option is a high-end phone from, let's say, for example, Samsung. I know the 23 just came out, and of course the iPhone 14, Pro. Those are very, very nice, very nice phones slash, cameras. Their cameras are incredible. In fact, the new 23, I think it has 200 megapixels. Amazing quality. So that's definitely an option, something to consider if you're going to buy an action camera or, a DJI Pocket 2. And of course, the number 3 is coming out pretty soon. It's supposed to have a larger sensor, more capacity, maybe even do 360s, video and stuff like that. Very nice. So, the market has changed tremendously. I grew up in the 50s. I remember black and white photography. Color photography was amazing. And then, of course, videography eventually came about and stuff like that. And now we have incredible cameras and phones, incredible DJI Pocket 2, and incredible action cameras. And of course, we're not even talking about mirrorless and DSLRs and stuff like that. Amazing. So I currently carry it in my little case that I bought from MaxCam. Very nice case. A very nice case. Very compact. I just throw this in between my glove compartment when I go traveling and when I, do have a need for it. So the camera kit, the basic camera kit is this right here. It's basically the gimbal camera and this little section here. What you get in the kit, if you decide to buy the kit, is an extension which adds more capacity, more mics, more capacity. And of course you get this very nice DJI Pocket wireless microphone. And last but not least, I'll talk about this. You also get this little tripod which screws into the bottom of the unit. So what do I think after 2 years of usage of my DJI Pocket 2? I wouldn't leave home without it. I'm currently filming with my mirrorless camera, my Lumix mirrorless camera. I use that still once in a while. I put it on a tripod, do some interesting photographs, some panoramas, and some video. But it's not as convenient as a DJI Pocket numero dos. And of course, the number 3 is coming up pretty soon. After that, 4 and 5. At least that's what I assume. So would I recommend it to YouTubers out there? Of course I would. But of course, some of you have different needs. If you're going skiing, if you're going rock climbing, if you're going, mountain biking, etc., anything that requires something that's be splash proof, moisture proof, can deal with rain and such like that, and can be dropped, dropped on the ground. You're going, oh, I'll pick it back up and reattach it. Then you need an action camera. If you're doing short form or documentary or long form narrative videos or whatever kind of videos that you want to do, you would use, of course, a mirrorless. And of course, Lumix, Sony, Canon, Nikon, and those manufacturers out there make some incredible cameras that you can put on a gimbal, on a very nice professional tripod, and shoot some fantastic videos. Do your own video production. Amazing, amazing quality. 10-bit, 16-bit. Some of these Sony, actual video cameras, these professionals, they're super, super fantastic video cameras, and Airflex and stuff like that. They shoot 16-bit. Amazing. I'm happy with my little DJI Pocket numero dos. Shoots 8-bit. Would I like 10-bit 422? Of course I would. I would love that. Maybe that's in the next iteration of this camera. You never know. So hope you like this video. Essentially, I'm going to be giving a big shout out to all the DJI Pocket 2 users out there. Great choice. Of course, if you have an action camera, it's still absolutely fantastic. It's great, and it's very compact, and you can drop it. It's not an issue. This camera right here, you have to be somewhat careful and be a professional and not just treat it like a piece of garbage that you can just drop and stuff like that. You got to take care of it. You actually got to make sure you baby it a little bit, but it's still incredibly, incredibly, incredibly sturdy. I give it again a big 2 thumbs up for this DJI Pocket 2. And of course I have some accessories. I have some neutral density filters. I have other accessories for this unit, and I enjoy using it. Again, it's easy to carry. All I do is carry this little bag, toss it in my glove box, be it in the middle glove box or in the actual glove box, and when I'm ready to go shoot a video, I just go out there and shoot it. When I'm camping, etc., or traveling, etc. It's easy to carry. This is easy to carry. When I was in Mexico, I just stuck it in my pocket along with the extension. It doesn't take much room. Let me just connect it right here, show you how big. There it is. That's the length of it. And that fits in my pocket rather readily. Again, that's the name of the unit. It's called the DJI Pocket number 2, and appropriately so. Hope you liked this video. Hope you found it informative. Again, there's different scenarios for every type of equipment. And if you can afford a little bit of each, thumbs up to you. I'm in Fort Worth, Texas. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Again, I would greatly appreciate it. Muchos, muchos, muchos gracias. Again, you can leave your kind and friendly comments abajo. Otra vez, gracias. From Fort Worth, Texas, this has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza for Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, Video, and Audio. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.